Tiny seeds. Big benefits. Why you should add chia to your diet. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Curious how these tiny seeds can do wonders for your health? Let's find out. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. They were once a staple in Aztec and Mayan diets. In fact, chia means strength in Mayan. Chia seeds aren't just a modern health craze, they have a rich history, prized for their energy-boosting properties. Imagine, these tiny seeds fueled ancient civilizations. These little guys are packed with fiber. Just a tablespoon provides a significant boost to your daily intake, high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon cravings. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, good for heart and brain, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium, good for bones, phosphorus and magnesium. Regulates blood sugar, helps avoid sugar spikes, supports weight loss, keeps cravings away. They support heart health, reduce inflammation, and boost overall well-being. It's a nutritional powerhouse in a tiny package. Ready to incorporate chia seeds into your diet? It's easier than you think. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your smoothies, or use them as a binding agent in your baking. One of my favorite ways to enjoy them is in a simple chia seed pudding. Just mix chia seeds with your favorite milk, dairy or non-dairy, add a touch of sweetener and some berries, and let it sit overnight. Wake up to a delicious and nutritious breakfast. So, are you ready to unlock the incredible benefits of chia seeds? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Let's get healthy together.